welcome to my home. My name is Limaran and today I'm going to show you my favorite part of the house. Come on in. The kids' room. So as you can see, these curtains are fully customized, made to measure curtains from ShadeSpace. I didn't want to choose the ones off the rack because of the ceiling height to the bay window. Also, do you know that there are two different kinds of night curtains? The first kind is the blackout curtains, where it blocks out light from the outside 100%. The ones here are the dim out curtains. And I picked the dim out curtains because I wanted the kids to be able to differentiate napping in the day and sleeping in the night. So far, my boys and I, we all love the curtains very much. I first heard about ShadeSpace while I was searching for curtains online. I was looking for a suitable curtain for our new home, and I actually saw a lot of good reviews about the curtains done by ShadeSpace. So my experience with ShadeSpace has been amazing. Basically, from the advice at the mobile showroom and the showroom to the color of the curtain that I was looking for, and I was actually pretty fussy with the colors as well, and everyone was really helpful with my choice and my search for that perfect one. Then the installation was quick and really fast-free, as well as after-sales service, so everything has been amazing so far. Thank you. I would totally recommend ShadeSpace because of their super cool mobile showroom. Not only I don't need to travel to the main office to have a look at the materials because they come to me, but also the entire variety of whatever I need is there. You know, ranging from the curtains to the blinds and the zip lines. So it was amazing. I was pretty tempted to get the zip lines at some point, but yeah, thank you ShadeSpace.